The other thing I have noticed with social media is if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is too good to be true. Yeah. I know from experience that having a great body cannot happen in 21 days. It cannot happen in 3 months. It takes years of dedicated effort and discipline to be able to create health within yourself. Right? So when a fitness trainer says, 2-month program, you will not recognize who you are, either they are injecting the body with some questionable chemicals or they are just fake. But when someone comes up and says, I will guarantee you great results, but you need to give me 2 to 3 years, I would really trust that person because I know that's how long it really takes when you understand the physics and the chemistry of the body. There is something called homeostasis. Let's just talk about this a little bit. Homeostasis is the body wanting to remain the way it is. So suppose you are overweight, supposed to be 70 kilos, but you are 85 kilos. When you lose weight through dieting, fasting, whatever it is you are doing, your body goes into trauma. You go, oh my God, where is me gone? I was 85 kilos, suddenly I'm 75 kilos, 10 kilos are missing. Right? So it goes into trauma. And if it is done too fast, you are really creating tremendous trauma for the body because the body becomes completely insecure. For the body, fat deposit is an old programming. See, in the olden days, there was not food available the way it is now. You could get food or you could not get food. So the fat was kept. So like in Indian houses, we keep gold. You don't sell the gold unless it's an emergency. Like that, the body does not let go of the fat unless it's an emergency. And you have suddenly made the body let go of 10 kilos of fat. Now just imagine in your house, if for whatever reason you had to sell the gold, once the emergency is over, what will you do? You will get the gold back and a little more, just in case, right? That's exactly what the body does. So it's not about losing the weight. It is about keeping the weight off. And for the body to adjust to this new 75 kilo weight takes approximately 8 to 10 months. It's only after 10 months that the body will say, all right, this is my new homeostasis. This is my new balanced state. I am not going to put on more weight. So anybody who says 2 months, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, whatever will give you weight loss, they are going against the basic fundamental rules of the human body. Right? So I guess the short answer to this is you study. You educate yourself. That's what I did. I educated myself. So even the most in your face seller sometimes has something nice. You should be able to know what nice things to take from them. And that comes only when you have knowledge. And you can like, oh my God, I missed that one. That is a really cool thing that he's saying or she's saying. Right? So be in a space of educating yourself and then consume social media.